Yeah, this is going to be a short video where I do some upgrades to the EverLast PowerTig 255 EXT. And in the description, I'll put an affiliate link to their website. And everything costs the same price, but if you buy something through the link, it helps my channel out. Yeah, one of the upgrades I did is I replaced the flow meter with this Victor Weldmark one. I got this real cheap on eBay and it's brand new. Yeah, another upgrade I did do it is I put a CK Worldwide flex head torch on it. It's a WP20 one. It's exactly the same torch that's on my other welder. And when you buy these torches, it comes all rolled up. The three hoses come rolled up without the cover on it. And the best way to do that is just to lay it out on the floor in your house and unroll the whole thing, and then you can put the cover on pretty easy, and it's got a zip tie that goes like right around here. And another thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put something around these hoses to protect it. I took some 3/4 inch heater hose and I cut it all the way down the middle, and I'm going to put that around that. Yeah, here's that heater hose. Yeah, and here's with this heater hose on here. It works out nice to protect these hoses. And I zip tied it on the welding cart there. Yeah, so one last upgrade I'm going to do is this welding clamp. There's nothing wrong with it. I just like the other style welding clamps better. All my other welders have this style on it. Yeah, and EverLast also sells this style welding clamp or ground clamp that has the cable and everything already attached to it. And to crimp these ends on, I have this tool that you hit with a hammer, or I have the hydraulic one. Yeah, and after I crimp these connectors, I also like to solder it because then it can't ever pull apart, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Yeah, you clamp that in the vise like that, and then you're going to heat just the end up with like a MAP gas or a propane torch and solder it right in there. Then stick it in water right after. Yeah, that's all you have to do to solder it. And that's about all there is to this. Yeah, and in the cards I'll put a link to the first video I made with this welder and building the welding cart for it. There's going to be one more video.